Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5S. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning enter Google Pay. Now tap a blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Firstly select loyalty, select shop, for example IKEA Poland. Enter your member ID. And it's done. Now let's go to gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter your details, then tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.